Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day here in Bali, and today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom villa by Living Properties, a place that's honestly hard not to fall in love with. And enough talking, let's go inside. Right as you walk in, you step into a spacious open-plan kitchen and living area. It's done beautifully, very stylish, thoughtfully designed. Everything feels cohesive and premium. But honestly, my attention is drawn to something else right now. You can already see it behind the living room, and it's not even the pool. Guys, this is what I call a villa with a view. A panoramic view of the Indian Ocean. And honestly, this is the one of those moments when you understand what are you paying for. And the white sand beaches are just 5 to 10 minutes from here. There is a pool right in front of you. Alright, let's start with the living room. It looks expensive. And I'm standing here trying to focus on the interior, but my eyes keep going back to the ocean. Yeah, the ocean wins. Alright. Kitchen and living area. Everything feels well thought out. The details, the texture, the way everything fits together. Let's start from the side. Large solid wood dining table for 6 people, and this is kind of table where you can actually imagine real dinners happening, yeah? It looks really good. This table doesn't feel staged, yeah? It feels livable. The countertop is marble, and the flooring, that's stone too, and it feels so good. The main countertop is marble, the rest is wood, a really nice balance. And the kitchen here is fully equipped with everything you need. And look at this, you can drink water straight from the tap. Yeah, that's good. Stove, and I love how they did this. Yeah, so good. The fridge is completely hidden here. Everything exactly where it should be. And right after the kitchen, there is a separate utility space, kind of a pantry and laundry room combined. You can store here things that you don't use every day. Laundry machine. And there is access to a small backyard with a palm tree. We are in Bali after all, eh? This is the guest living area. Nice sofa, very stylish and soft. A big TV here, if you actually feel like watching it, yeah, instead of view outside. And I like these chairs too. They have a character, not just a standard. I also forgot to mention a few things about entrance area, yeah? You've got 2 small puffs here. A full-length mirror, which is important. You always want to see how you look before heading out. And there is 2 umbrellas. You can go outside because here, right here in the complex, there is a restaurant, a gym, a spa, basically everything you need for a comfortable living in Bali. Yeah, it's not just a villa, it's a whole lifestyle setup. Here you've got some storage space for your personal things, some decor elements, and coffee machine. Do you like coffee, guys? I do, a lot. And right behind this area, there's a small office space. Yeah, quiet corner where you can sit, work, take a call without distractions. And you can place book here, make it a bit more personal. And this armchair, yeah, I really like it. And once again, I find myself back in this spot. You can just sit here and stare at the endless ocean. And today it's a bit cloudy, yeah? But even like this, you can clearly see the horizon. On this side, just behind the storage area, there is a bathroom. Very cool, guys. Even a guest toilet here doesn't feel closed or dark, yeah? There is light, there is greenery. You still feel that you are in Bali. It's small details like this that actually change the experience. I'm walking around, filming, exploring the villa, and at some point I just stop because my eyes get locked on that endless ocean view, and I can't help it. It just pulls you in. Let me show you the first bedroom. This one is a bit smaller, it's a guest bedroom right behind this door, and look at the door itself. Yeah, very tall. Actually, you can feel the volume of the space because of the very high ceilings. For me, that's a real indicator of premium property. And honestly, it should be like this. And of course, the first thing you want to check in any bedroom is the view, yeah? And here, it's the same stunning ocean view. That's kind of thing you never really get or tired of. By the way, a small detail I really like here. The developer actually created a custom signature scent for each of their projects. This one has its own fragrance as well. It's subtle, but it adds to the whole atmosphere of the space. Here we have a wardrobe area and the bathroom. And 2 mirrors, guys, for 2 people. Very well thought out. Garden. Very beautiful. From this bedroom, let's move into the next one through another entrance. Yeah, so good. Very interesting outdoor shower, yeah? This is master bedroom. Here's another door, access to the living area. The main light control system. And additional storage space, yeah. And here, the master bathroom. Yeah, very well executed. All details, all the materials here, premium quality throughout. And you really can feel it here. All details created one space. What do you think? I like it. I really like it. Here's a small sitting area where you can sit for a bit and relax for a moment, yeah? Or the pool. Look from this view. So that's the tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the villa or you want more details about this property, feel free to reach out to me directly. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Would you live here or would you see it an investment? And see you in the next video.